Hello, dear motor enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to talk about the inseparable parts of our cars: periodic maintenance, tires, and rims. We'll dive into why we need to pay attention to these elements and why they are so crucial for our vehicle's performance and safety. Let's embark on this journey together and learn how we can best maintain our vehicles. Periodic maintenance is vital for preserving the performance, safety, and economy of the vehicle. These maintenances are generally recommended to be done at certain mileage intervals or within a specific time frame. However, special maintenance plans vary depending on the model, brand, and usage conditions of each vehicle. Therefore, the information provided here is a general guide, and it's best to follow the specific maintenance schedule stated in your vehicle's user manual. Every 10,000 kilometers or 6 months. Engine oil and oil filter change ensures more efficient engine operation and reduces wear. Air filter check. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency. It is replaced if necessary. Tires and tire pressure. The condition of the tires is checked and wear and pressure levels are examined. Brake system. Check. Brake pads, discs, and other brake system components are inspected. Every 20,000 kilometers or 12 months. Brake fluid change. Maximizes brake performance and reduces wear. Antifreeze coolant. Check and change. Prevents the engine from overheating. Steering system and suspension checks. Important for driving comfort and safety. Every 40,000 kilometers or 24 months. Gearbox oil and filter change for automatic transmissions. Ensures smooth gear shifts. Cabin air filter change. Improves indoor air quality. Spark plug check and change for gasoline engines. Ensures more efficient engine combustion. Fuel filter. Change. Keeps the fuel system clean. Every 60,000 kilometers or 36 months. Timing belt check and change if necessary. A critical part for engine timing. This procedure may be required earlier depending on the model of the car. Brake discs and pads. Check and change if necessary. Vital for safe brake performance. Every 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Gear oil change for manual transmissions. Ensures the transmission operates smoothly. Cooling system maintenance. Radiator cleaning and antifreeze change. It is recommended to change your tires approximately every 50,000 kilometers. However, this can vary depending on the brand, model of your tires, and the road conditions you use. If you notice signs of wear, tears, or cuts on your tires, you should replace them immediately. Summer tires are designed for better performance in hot weather conditions. They have a harder rubber compound and provide better grip on wet roads. Winter tires use a softer rubber compound to remain flexible in cold weather conditions. They have special patterns and treads to provide better traction on snow and ice. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Correct tire pressure increases your vehicle's fuel efficiency, extends tire life, and ensures driving safety. Rims play an important role not only in the aesthetics of our vehicle, but also in its performance. Aluminum alloy rims increase fuel efficiency due to their lightness, while steel rims are preferred for their durability. When choosing rims, opting for those that suit your vehicle's model and usage purpose can make a difference both aesthetically and performance-wise. Moreover, regular maintenance and cleaning of the rims prevent rusting and extend their life. Dear friends, today we have discussed the importance of periodic maintenance, tires, and rims on our vehicle. Remember, the care you show your vehicle is the key to keeping you and your loved ones safe. Regular maintenance, the right choice of tires and rims, not only enhance the performance and lifespan of your vehicle, but also provide you with a safe driving experience. If you have any questions about vehicle maintenance, please share them in the comments. See you in our next video, wishing you safe drives.